Okay, we've taken some out in the back here. And we want to get our eye. We're going to use these glass eyes here for this. And we have to open it up more on the outside so it'll go in there better. So I'm going to use this small sanding disc here to open this up some. Again, we'll use this to take some out inside. Go to the back and open the back up a little bit more. You just want to go a little bit at a time. You don't want to make it end up with that hole being too big. Okay, we got it opened up a little more, so now we're going to check this eye again. So we're getting there. It still needs to be opened up a little more. But we're getting what we want here. So we're going to work on this now, and once we get this thing set, we'll come back. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.